thanks for watching. Today we're gonna be making another potpourri, which is one of my new favorite things to do actually, because they last all day long if you want them to. So today we're gonna be making a pumpkin spice potpourri. The first one I made was an apple cinnamon potpourri, so both very fall but different. So today I'm gonna be showing you exactly what you need to make this pumpkin spice potpourri, and it's super simple. So let's get into it. Alright guys, this is all you're gonna need: pumpkin spice, cinnamon sticks, vanilla extract, cloves, an apple, and apple juice. Alrighty guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is grab an apple. It doesn't matter what brand or type of apple, just a nice juicy apple, and we're gonna cut it into thin, very thin slices. So make sure you have a good knife. The last time I had a horrible knife and it was really hard to cut, so this knife was a lot better. So now we're going to measure out 2 cups of apple juice. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You always hear, you always hear. So you're going to want to use just a normal saucepan. Now you can use a crock pot, but they can be a little bit hard to clean. So I just use a normal saucepan because it works just the same. Now we're going to go ahead and pour the apple juice into the saucepan, and I'm not going to turn up the heat yet because we have a few more steps to get through before then. Let's go ahead and open up our pumpkin. My pumpkin is 100% organic. It doesn't matter at all. Just make sure you have a pumpkin puree. So you're only going to need half a cup of the pumpkin puree, and don't stress about making these measurements for any of the ingredients perfectly precise because they're all going to smell amazing together anyway, so don't sweat it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the pumpkin puree in with the apple juice. And we're going to start putting in the apple slices. Now you don't have to make these beautiful. They're all going to get mixed together anyways in just a minute. You can also dry the apple slices if you want. Just throw them in the oven to dry them out. But I like the fresh apple slices. Now we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of whole clove. Now again, do not stress about it being perfectly measured out. Clove smells great no matter what. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. And lastly, we're going to add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks on top for some texture. And finally, go ahead and turn the heat up to medium-high. Alright, so now that we have the heat turned up and everything inside the pot, we're going to stir everything around to break up the pumpkin, essentially at the bottom. And we're also going to use a wooden spoon to also release those natural oils. The wooden spoon definitely helps with that. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point. So once it comes to a boil, you're going to bring down the heat just a little bit for a simmer. And the great thing about these potpourris is they can last as long as you want them to. So when the liquid gets a little bit low, you can either fill it back up with the apple juice or you can just fill it up with water. I'm going to fill it up with water just because I don't want to waste so much apple juice, but you can do whatever you'd like. And this smells incredible. It smells so good. It smells like I'm baking a pumpkin pie. It's amazing. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Bye.